Good morning, everybody. I am at Walmart on this nice kind of cold morning, but we are ready to go some digital couponing. Yeah, so it is Thursday and I need 18 rebates to get the $5 weekend warrior. Not gonna happen. Every time they do like these big bonuses, which this is the first time they've done a monthly bonus. I've noticed sometimes they've lasted like 2 weeks or 3 weeks. I don't remember if they've ever had like a month-long bonus, but every time they do these big bonuses, they don't have a lot of Ibotta rebates because they don't want you to hit that stuff. That's why they're letting you do like if it has like a limit of 5, you get 5 rebates out of it. I think they're just trying to get people to do that. Now, majority of some people will hit it. Everybody's got random. I need 93 to get 25 bucks. Will I make it? Probably. I'm already at like 20 something, but there's not a lot of great rebates today, but we're still gonna go ahead and share with you guys some deals. I was just here on Monday, was it Monday? Looking for 90% off Easter. My store had nothing. I found some bags, that's all I got. I was gonna do a video, but I'm like, there's just not really much to it. My store had nothing, but other than that, it's okay. But I'm excited to go inside and share with you guys some stuff that we can get at Walmart, saving some money. So let's go inside and have some fun. We have the Colgate 2-pack toothpaste for $3.46. We currently have a Shopkick rebate where you get 555 kicks for purchasing and scanning the product, which is $2.22. Then you can also submit your receipt to the Ibotta app where you get $1.50 back with that, making your final price for this a 26-cent moneymaker. Here we have the Dove Whole Body Deodorant. What you're going to end up doing is you're going to pay $11.98 for this. But then you can submit your receipt for $5 back with Ibotta. Then you can also submit your receipt for $4 back off of one with Shopkick, or Shopium. And then you get 465 kicks with Shopkicks, making this just $1.12. So I think that's a great deal, from $11.98 to $1.12. I have yet to use this. I have used this, which it doesn't seem to work with what I'm going through. And I did get a lot of your input for getting banned, so I will try that soon when I can get a deal, but otherwise here, $1.12. So here we have the Dove bars. We have the Luscious Berry, which I really like, for $5.97. You're gonna buy 2 of them and you will pay $11.94 for both of them. I have a Swagbucks deal where if I purchase 2 of them, I get $3 back with that. Then I also get $2 back with a limit of 5, so I'll get $4 back with Ibotta. And then I also can submit my receipt for $4 back off of 2 with a Shopium app, making both of these just, I lost my spot, making both of them just 94 cents or 47 cents each, which is a pretty decent deal for some bars of soap. So here we have the Dove Prebiotic Boost Hand Wash. These are $4.97. I'm going to share with you guys 2 different deals. So what you could do is you could buy one of them for $4.97. You can submit your receipt for $3 back with Ibotta. Then there is a deal where you get 500 points, which is 50 cents when you purchase that. So you would get this with, with Fetch Rewards, you'd get 50 cents, 500 points. With that, making it $1.47. Or what you can do is you can buy 3 of them. You will pay $14.91 for 3 of them. You can submit your receipt to Ibotta for $3 back, so that's $9 back with Ibotta. Then there's a Fetch Rewards deal where if you spend 10, you get 2,000 points. And since these are $4.97, you need to buy 3 of them. Then you also will get 500 points, which is a limit of 5. So you would get $1.50 back with Fetch Rewards with that, making your final price for this just $2.41 or just 80 cents each, which is a pretty great deal for some Dove. So here's an awesome moneymaker for the ponds. So here, these are $1.47. You're gonna pay $1.47, but the ones that you have to get are the ones that are the pink top, okay? So the ones with the pink top. I scanned the blue, that one's not working. I scanned the red, that one's not working. You wanna make sure you get the pink one, which is the Clarent B3. What you're going to do is you pay $1.47, then you can submit your receipt to Ibotta, where you get $2 back, making this a 53-cent moneymaker. 53-cent moneymaker, and you can get up to 5 of them, which is an awesome deal. So here we have the refresh for your card. This one works. It's like the black and teal one. Otherwise, this one does not work with Ibotta. But you're gonna buy 2 of them and pay $2.94. You're gonna pay $5.94 for 2 of them. But we have a swag bucks deal where you get 250 points when you purchase the 2. Then you also get $2, so you get $2 back with Ibotta, making your final price for this just $1.44 or 72 cents each. Here we have the Benylin and Crowdtap Bites for $1.06. You're going to pay $1.06, but here with Shopkicks, you get 105 points or kicks for purchasing and scanning the product, which is 42 cents. And then we have an Ibotta rebate where you get, now it's missing, you get 50 cents back with the Ibotta rebate, making your final price for just one of these 14 cents, which is a great deal for some dog food. So here we have the Clorox Stiva toilet cleaner. Now my store does not have any on the shelf, but I looked up and there is some way up on the top shelf. So I price checked it. It is $2.68. You're gonna buy 2 of them. You will pay $5.36 for 2 of them, but then you will receive a $5 back with swag bucks when you purchase the 2 of them, making 2 of these just 36 cents. 36 cents for 2 of them is an awesome deal. So here we have this bubbly burst drinks for $1.18. You'd pay $1.18, but here we have an Ibotta rebate for 30 cents back, and there is a fetch reward where you get 400 points, which is 40 cents. So this comes out to be just 48 cents for a bottle. I'm gonna try this cherry lemonade and see what it tastes like. I'm getting the Danimals smoothies because I'm really craving these, but these are $5.37. We currently have a $1 Ibotta rebate with a bonus, which I don't know what you get with a bonus, but you get a $1 rebate, making it just $4.37. So I'm getting it because I'm really craving it, and it's a pretty decent deal. So here we have the Farmland bacon for $5.98. You're gonna buy 2 of them. You will end up paying $11.96. But we have a swag bucks deal where if you purchase 2, you get $5 back, and a checkout 51 deal where you get $1.62 times 2, making your final price for this from all the way from $11.96 to, sorry, I covered my thing. I didn't write it down. I have it on my phone. To $3.72 or just $1.86 for some bacon. Yes. Okay, so I am back at Walmart. I am pretty excited. I got the Ponds, you know, on clear, or not on clearance, but I'm surprised I got them that way. My store said they were like sold out when I was doing all my research last night. But yeah, so I ended up getting everything that I shared with you guys for $80.45. $80.45. Now, with Shopkick, I was going to submit my receipt, and when I was submitting my receipt, it showed that it was 200 points. When I shared with you guys on the video and screenshotted it, it said I was supposed to get 465 points for purchasing and scanning the product. Then when I submit my receipt, it shows 200 points. So what I did is I submitted my receipt and I sent them a message along with a screenshot. And I have said that this has been going on like crazy. I hate to do this, but like when you guys have a big following, like I don't have a big following, but I sometimes have to pull my I'm an influencer card on them because, you know, maybe they'll listen to me instead of listening to somebody who, I don't know. But what I basically said is that this has been going on like crazy, and it's getting like, basically it's ridiculous. You know, you check your app, you submit your receipt right away, and it changes it on you. And I don't like it. And I asked if I could speak to somebody about this, that they need to do their app a little bit differently. Because a lot of you guys are getting frustrated with it, and I'm sick of how every time we have to do something like that, we have to contact them and contact them and contact them. So I'm waiting for them to respond, but they should give me my points that I did get it when it showed it. And I hate that Shopkick has been the very first app that I ever used for saving money. And that was just back in the day where you only would scan stuff. You wouldn't even purchase items, you would just scan it. And that was when my son was a baby and I was bored out of my mind. But I feel like this is going on like crazy, and I feel like we have to contact customer service more and more and more. And I'm sick of it. And I do want to talk to somebody about it, seeing how they can get their app to stop doing that or something like that. But I've had it, like, you know, sometimes I just let it slide, and then sometimes I'm like, this is getting ridiculous, because that's money that we bought that item because of that deal, and then the deal changes on us. Like, I understand, like, you know, I wish if they could give us a warning when some deals are going to end or something like that, but I'm just sick of putting a ticket all the time. So, gonna give you guys a heads up with that. But I submitted my receipt. I was supposed to get 1,160 points, and I know they will give me my points for Shopkicks. I just don't know how long it's gonna take, because it said I was supposed to only get like 8 something, and then I'm like, I'm supposed to get 11 something. So I know they'll give me my points for it, but I will be getting 1160, which is $4.64 with Shopkick. With Ibotta, I received $33.30. Now, I only did 9 rebates, 9 Ibotta rebates, but when I submitted my receipt, it showed that it was 17 rebates, because I bought 5 of the Ponds, I got 2 of the Refresh items, I got 3 of the Dove soap. So I'm like, oh man, 17. But then I remembered that when you redeem a gift card on the Ibotta app, that counts as a rebate. So if you guys are ever like, oh man, I need one more rebate, just get a gift card. Just make sure you guys are rolling your gift cards. But yeah, so $33.30. So that means technically I got 18 rebates. So I did get the $5 Weekend Warrior bonus. So that was good. Fetch Rewards, I received 3,900 points, which is $3.90. Swag Bucks, I received 1,550 points, which is $15.50. Shopium, I just did 2 items, so I got $8 with Shopium, and then Checkout 51, $3.24. My grand total from all the way up from $80.45, I got it down to $6.86. Yes, I love it when I can get it down as low as I can get it. I ended up getting 21 items at just 33 cents each, so that was a pretty good deal. But yeah, 9 rebates technically, but technically I got 17 for my whole entire haul. So I'm pretty happy with everything that I got. If you guys enjoyed this video, help me out by subscribing to my channel. It is absolutely free, and I'm here to help you guys save some money and get some deals and all that fun stuff. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next week. See you later. Bye-bye.